riding down Calala Lane, very nice. The wind in my ears and probably in the microphone. I've got the GoPro mounted on the visor of my helmet with cable ties holding it there. This GoPro I picked up beside the road. It must have fallen off somebody's helmet when they were riding their bike. Anyway, it had a whole lot of problems, so I put a new motherboard on it. And I think I fixed it. This is my first try with the new motherboard in it. I might go to the head of the long line. Whoa, he's got the traffic is going again, I think. Transmitting tower for the radio station, 2TM. Nice big tower. Whoa! Wow, that Magpie just hit me. There he goes. And he went bang into my helmet. Pretty bad. He's an idiot of a bird. He'll come back and get me again for sure. Look at him over there in the tree. When's he gonna come? He's gonna attack again in a minute, for sure. Here he comes. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, and he's chickened out because he saw my eyes. Now he's gone up there. The man died the other day because he tried to avoid magpies and ran off the road with his push bike. Wow. That one is crazy. Smacked in all the cable ties on my helmet. Something to do. Everything and everybody's got a job to do there. Where'd he go? I've lost track. Oh, he's right behind me again. He just hit me again. There he is. Look at him. He's a real idiot. I'll go over to him. Hey Maggie, what are you doing today? Where are you going? I wish somebody to run in. Damn, he's aggressive. You get there every time you're not looking. Keep looking, you've got a chance of avoiding him. Wow. Wow, he's a mad bird. Wow. He usually gives up about here. So I think I'm through safely and alive again. Maybe not. Anyway. Well, there you go. Oh, he's got me again. Look at him. I thought he'd given up, and no, he came again. One last blast. People wonder why I wear cable ties on my helmet. You come home with no ears otherwise.